Ever wondered what 5G actually is, besides just another G on your phone? Let's break it down in 60 seconds. 5G stands for the fifth generation of mobile networks. And it's a huge leap from 4G. Think of it this way. 3G let us browse the web, 4G brought us HD video streaming, and 5G, it's building a super fast, super connected world. First, speed. 5G is up to 100 times faster than 4G. Imagine downloading a full movie in just a few seconds. Second, responsiveness. It has incredibly low latency, meaning almost zero lag. This is a game changer for online gaming, seamless video calls, and even future tech like self-driving cars. Finally, capacity. 5G can connect millions of devices at once without slowing down. This is perfect for the Internet of Things, powering everything from your smart home to entire smart cities. So, is it safe? Yes. All scientific evidence shows 5G is perfectly safe. Using similar radio waves to 4G and Wi-Fi, it's not just faster internet. It's the future, connecting everything, everywhere. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech explainers.